I'm changing a starter on a 2016 Civic, and I'm using the Goose-Grip vacuum suction plate work light that's attached to the lower part of the windshield with an industrial suction cup. And there's the turn on switch right here. And it has a long, bendable, 36-inch long gooseneck, which comes down onto the side of the engine, all the way down there. And for the professionals out there that have done a starter on a late model Civic, you know what I'm looking at under there. So I've taken my gooseneck and my light stick. The light stick is 12 inches long and it puts out 1300 lumens. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. And now I'm going to go under the car just to show you what it is that I can see when I'm using the Goose-Grip light. Sorry for the camera angle, but so I'm on my back and there's the oil pan right here. Right here is the oil pan, and there is the passenger side axle, and there's the starter right here. And my light is hanging down from above over on the right side, the passenger side end of the intake manifold. And being able to position a light like that and illuminate everything like this really is priceless. And I just had to show it off. This is the Goose-Grip Mechanics work light. It's going to be the greatest light you've ever used. I wouldn't go to Goose-Grip.com. There's 4 lights there. This is just one of the 4. Anyway, this is a job that I'm doing right now, and Goose-Grip is really helping me out illuminate everything I need to see, because of the strategic placement of the light coming down from above. And it doesn't move, gravity doesn't affect it. Anyway, Goose-Grip.com. This is Kevin, and I'm out.